Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Meads Avenue in the city of Orange. Now, I've stated this on, I'm all undressed here. Stated this in last videos. This is an existing client that we've done quite a few ADUs for, and they ask us to work on their personal residence, and we're doing a 900 square foot room addition for them. Now guys, I normally don't do room additions. We specialize in ADUs, but as a favor to an existing client, and they love our work, they want us to do this room addition. But this is insane. Look at this beam that goes all the way across. This thing is 18 feet in the air. You should have seen us getting it up there. Had some special lifting devices that lifted this beam up. These are going to be basically 16 feet vaulted ceilings in this large room addition, and there's going to be a small bedroom back there on the back side. You can see the pitch for that other bedroom. But today we're getting all the ceiling joists up. We just got scaffolding delivered so we can work on this basically second story room addition because it's so damn high. But any questions about ADUs, not room additions, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you guys have. Guys, thank you for watching our channel. We really appreciate it. Please give us some subscribes. Definitely give us some likes. DJ, the ADU Pro.